This morning, Anthropic released the most powerful AI they have ever made available to the public. It's called Claude Fable 5. And if you use these tools to actually get work done, I think today is a bigger deal than the usual model launch. So let me walk you through what it is, what it can actually do, and the one moment this morning that genuinely caught me off guard. Let's start with what it is. You might remember Mythos. Or maybe you don't, because most people never got access to it. That's the model that reportedly found thousands of security vulnerabilities before most security researchers even knew they were there. It was considered too capable to release. Fable is that same class of model. And now it's out, for everyone. Anthropic basically put guardrails around it. Most of the time you're talking to the new model. But when conversations move into certain high-risk areas, something else takes over in the background. They say it happens in less than 5% of conversations. The rest of the time, you're talking to the real thing. I've been using it since this morning. Actually, pretty much all morning. And that's when things started feeling a little weird. I gave it a task that normally would have taken me half a day. I expected to babysit it, check every step, correct mistakes. Instead, I went to grab a coffee, came back, and it was still working. Not stuck. Not waiting for me. Working. It had split the job into pieces, handed some of them to copies of itself, and was checking the results on its own. The last time I left a collaborator alone on a project like that collaborator was human. And the honest part? It doesn't feel like an upgrade. It feels like the tool stopped waiting for me. And then there's the timing. Because just days ago, Anthropic publicly warned that AI is getting genuinely dangerous. And today, they released their most capable model anyway. And honestly, I think that's the weird part. The same people warning us about the risks are the ones building these systems. That sounds contradictory. But maybe it isn't. If everyone else keeps racing forward, slowing down by yourself doesn't really stop anything. It just means someone else gets there first. I keep going back and forth on whether that logic comforts me or worries me more. So I tried to test it where it actually matters. I gave it a small but real piece of my own work. Not a demo, not a trick question. The kind of thing I'd normally do myself on a Tuesday morning. And it didn't just answer me, it planned it, it broke it down, it did it, and then it checked its own work before handing it back. That's the part that's hard to explain to someone who hasn't felt it yet. It's not smarter conversation. It's that the thing has started to carry the work. Maybe the strange part is that a year from now, this won't feel strange at all. We got used to AI writing our code. We got used to it answering our emails. We'll get used to this too. The only real question is how fast. So here's what I'm doing next. This week I'm giving Fable a real project, full autonomy, start to finish, and I'm going to show you everything it does without me touching anything. Unedited. If it fails, you'll see it fail. If it does something impressive, you'll see that too. Subscribe if you want to see how that goes, because honestly, I don't know yet either. And tell me in the comments, if you use these tools every day, where would you actually trust one to work on its own? And where would you still want to check every single line? I'm reading every answer.